Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Audition for audio remix with Multitrack detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Adobe Audition on your computer. Upon launch, navigate to the top menu bar. Click on File to access the drop-down menu. Select New to create a new project. Choose Multitrack Session from the options presented. A dialog box will appear asking for session details. Enter a name for your project in the session name field. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the project. Select the desired sample rate from the drop-down menu. For most projects, 44,100 Hz is sufficient. Set the bit depth, typically 16-bit is a standard choice. Click OK to create your multitrack session. You will now see the Multitrack workspace. To import audio for remixing, go to the Files panel. Right-click in the Files panel and select Import. Browse to the audio files you want to use for your remix. Select the files and click Open to import them. Drag the imported audio files onto the Multitrack timeline. Arrange the audio clips in the desired order on different tracks. To edit a clip, double-click on it in the timeline. This opens the waveform editor for detailed adjustments. Make any necessary edits like cutting or fading the audio. To add effects, navigate to the Effects menu on the top toolbar. Choose the desired effect from the list and adjust its parameters. You can apply effects to individual tracks or the master track. To mix your project, adjust the volume levels of each track. Use the mixer panel for precise control over each audio channel. Once satisfied with your remix, go to File again. Select Export and then choose Multitrack Mixdown. Choose your preferred audio format for exporting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.